Hey, this is Heather from Blue Cat Design on Etsy, and I'm going to finish up these ornaments that I was showing you how to make. I put the sheet music in, and I don't know if you can see the glitter, but there's some fairy dust, or what they call it, ultrafine diamond holographic glitter. And I glued that in with, I just put a thin coat of Mod Podge, and now I'm going to put the tinsel trim. And you can use, there's, I don't know, this fabric glitter glue. It's dimensional fabric paint. And it's kind of hard to find, but I got it at Hobby Lobby. But you can use this if you want glitter along the edge. You can just easily use that. And then, but I like the tinsel. So I'm going to show you how I do the tinsel. And I use hot glue. And I like these little glue guns. Back in the old days, they just had those hunkin' big fat ones that were really hard to get into tight places like this, but I mean, it's pretty simple. You just don't want to get any glue on the outside of the tinsel because it just looks kind of messy and dulls it, so you gotta be careful there and don't get your fingers. I have really tough calluses, but if you're not used to crafting, you better have a bowl of cold water to dip your hands in if you burn them, because this glue can be really hot and not fun. And let's see, I'll cut it first, the end. And sometimes I'll just poke it down with either a tool or a pencil. Looks a little crooked there. And then I'll take a nail and punch like holes, like maybe right here and there, 2 little holes, and then thread my either a jump ring or the thread, you know, the string hanger through the top there. And then I think I'm going to put a snowman and maybe, I don't know, somehow get that in there. And then put a little more tinsel. But you can use hot glue for this. I use a combination of hot glue and E6000 just so it stays. Because sometimes hot glue can pop off, and this E6000 is pretty strong. And then I'll do the same for the star, but that's how I do it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow me on Blue Cat Design on Facebook. Thanks.